Cupra quietly dropped the name Tindaya into our laps and followed it with a brief but dramatic teaser, enough to suggest this concept won't be a gentle evolution but a design statement. The automaker says the concept will make its debut on September 8 at the IAA Mobility Show in Munich, and the short CGI reel that introduced the name leaned heavily into dramatic imagery, volcanic rock, an asteroid strike, and the Tindaya wordmark carved from stone. That cinematic teaser sets the tone. Cupra wants this to feel mythic as much as modern. What we can see from the official teasers is a rear end that's all intent, slim, protruding taillights that stretch into the flanks, an illuminated Tindaya script, sculpted rear fenders finished in a glossy carbon-like texture, and copper highlights offset against matte bodywork. Those choices aren't merely cosmetic. They telegraph a new design language that blends athletic surfacing with high-tech detailing. Cupra's imagery suggests craftsmanship and drama rather than anonymous, safe styling. Cupra isn't being coy about the concept's philosophy either. The company frames the theme as "No drivers, no Cupra" and describes the project as their perfect symbiosis between human and machine. That hint suggests the cockpit will be as important as the exterior, with teasers already pointing to a futuristic cabin featuring an illuminated, diamond-shaped structure and rib textures, elements that look engineered to heighten the driver's emotional connection rather than replace it. Expect an interface that's expressive and deliberately human-centric. Powertrain specifics remain under wraps, but Cupra's wording and the brand's recent trajectory make a full electric show car the likeliest option. The automaker promises a maximum expression of driver focus and a unique emotional experience, so even if the concept leans on electrification, Cupra appears to be designing it with performance and driver engagement in mind rather than turning it into a cushy autonomous pod. In short, no robotaxi. This is a driver's vision dressed in future-ready technology. Beyond the Tindaya, Cupra will use its Munich stand to preview production intent machines as well, including a camouflaged near-production Roval that shares architecture with the VW ID.2 All and Skoda Epic, pointing to Cupra's broader EV rollout in 2026. The Tindaya concept then becomes both a styling manifesto and a statement of intent. Cupra wants emotional design and driver-first technology to be central as it expands its electrified lineup. Whether the concept's theatrical imagery translates into production reality will be the real story, and we'll get the first official answers in Munich on September 8.